Today we will be doing an open box review of Metrofuser's M601, 602, 603 Fuser Maintenance Kit, part number CF064-67901. And we'll start off with the packaging that it's shipped in, and you can see it is utilizing our ProPak branded packaging. And ProPak was developed to inspire confidence in technicians and end users while communicating greater equity compared to the traditional brown boxes that have been used in the industry for years. And as you can see, the non-descriptive artwork promises to maintain anonymity for the installer and the reseller while offering a much better pack design. So these are made in America, as all our fusers are, and are TAA compliant. And these are shipped double boxed for greater protection. As you can see, its reduced diameter minimizes shipping costs, storage costs, as well as transportation footprint. We did an analysis, and these series fusers have the smallest dimensional footprint in the industry. As far as the maintenance kits, we offer both OEM and compatible. And this maintenance kit will come with the fuser, two 0036 rollers, pickup rollers, four 0037 pickup rollers, and one transfer roller, as well as the maintenance kit fuser installation instructions. Now these kits do come with their own instructions, but they're also backed by Metrofuser's US-based tech phone support should you have any questions, and also Metrofuser.com hosts a blog with complete videos that offer additional tips and tricks for installation. Now the fuser is sealed in a poly bag to protect it from dust and contaminants, and they're custom engineered mold end caps, both left and right, which are professional looking and reusable for core return. The delivery guide in these fusers, or family of fusers, is very sensitive. So years ago we developed a cardboard insert that stretches from both sides of the molds to protect it from any type of damage, both removal damage as well as handling. There's also a warning label that coincides with that. Now today's business printers, as the M601, 602, 603 are commonly operate between 40 to 60 pages per minute, and the duty cycles up to 250,000 pages per month. Now between the heat, friction, and pressure of these devices, the fusers are pushed to their very limits. So it's not uncommon for our fusers to achieve 500,000 to 1 million page life. To do that, Metrofuser had to implement a number of engineering upgrades, which we'll cover a few of them. Now, starting with the pre-production core selection. Now, the fuser is only as good as the platform it's built on. So we'll do a complete analysis of the core, and we outright reject a number of new build import cores based on tolerances. Next, we review the gear posts, the welds are inspected and tested, and then the frames are checked for alignment. The OEM fasteners and fixtures are married throughout the production process, and only components that successfully pass the dimensional and functional tests go back into the Metrofuser production process. Now, moving on to the fuser replacement parts. Now, as far as the lower pressure roller, we utilize a liquid injected mold roller. It assures a jam-free simplex and duplex printing, and these rollers perform flawlessly across various media types as we've tested. The roller bushings are replaced 100% and jacketed with Teflon, and this resists abrasion and it performs flawlessly at the fuser's highest demand access points. Now, one of the most important components to the M600 fuser is the film sleeve. There are over 20 different inherent properties for fuser film sleeve, specific gravity, temperature index, melting point, just too many to mention that directly affect performance. So we worked with the Rutgers School of Engineering, spent hundreds of hours in benchmarking OEM films and isolating the correct parameters prior to us selecting our manufacturer. Taking a deeper dive into the M600 fixing film assembly, Metrofuser partnered with a specialty chemical manufacturer. And we tested various formulations with the goal of tuning the grease to make it last longer and perform better. The final grease formulation selected offers outstanding heat transfer and protection from friction. And the grease itself is quite expensive. It comes down to about 50 cents a gram. Just as important as the grease formulation is the application. While other manufacturers have switched to automated dispensing robots to lay down a thin bead of grease across the FFA, we utilize a hand placement method. Now, hand placement allows us to our technicians to direct the grease into the various hot points on the cradle, and this offers much better image quality and much more durability over time. Moving on to the ceramic heating element, to address 50 service errors caused by ceramic heating elements, our fusers, the 600 series connectors, are Z-tied to reduce the likelihood of electrical arcing. So you'll see the connector here, which connects to the heating element, is Z-tied together. In addition, Metrofuser utilizes a proprietary heat treatment process on our ceramic heating elements. Now, this improves the heat transfer process across the entire element and improves image quality. The process allows our fusers to be more forgiving when used with the ever-increasing toner particulate that's found in the aftermarket. We want to thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this detailed look into our M600 series fuser maintenance kits. We offer more step-by-step instructional videos for fusers, transfer belts, and maintenance kits on metrofuser.com. And YouTube watchers can visit us on our Metrofuser channel. Please like and subscribe to get the latest updates. Thank you.